Hello there, everybody. This is me, and I want to share my thoughts about this running issues or the trending issues between Andy Eigenman and Filmar Alipayo, and also the other lady that is really on this place of the controversy that is from Swedish. The name is Pernilla. So now I will give my thoughts about this by Derek Ramsey is sharing right now with OGD's interview. Anyway, Derek Ramsey has a point. Okay, I will give like a little story about this one. So Derek Ramsey is a very, very, very good friend of this woman from Swedish, that is Pernilla, and also the wife of Derek Ramsey, that is Eileen Adarna. Okay. So while I'm listening to the statement of Derek Ramsey, yes, I can say that he has a 100% right to do this statement because at the first place, he has the balls or he has the right to have a statement. Okay, it's not their business, but they are like a sister already with Pernilla. Okay, so Pernilla is a Swedish woman. So Swedish or Sweden is a European country where for what I know or for what I experience that I am here right now in European country. Okay guys, listen to this. European country is it's not a conservative country unlike of the Philippines. So they are likely to have an open when it comes to their actions, when it comes to kissing, hugging, and when it comes to friends, to families, and any relatives or any person that is really on you, or I mean you are very closest person to them, to that European person, it's actually, I can say that it's really the tight of the relationship. It's like, you cannot put any malice. So walang malice siya, any doubt, because this is how they are treating person, treating family, treating friends in European country. So in that case that the Swedish woman that is Pernilla is from European country, of course she is like this. So ako yung pakatotoo, I am the truth that to say that European countries, European woman, European man is they are really open, no malice, no doubt when you are with them. Unlike in the Philippines that when you are giving a kiss to a friend, to a family, to a father, to a sister, or to mom, or to any person that is closest to your heart, some people, they will judge you that you are overacting or you are giving a malice on that. So there is malicia on that they will tell that you will not do that because some kids they will see or some adults they will see. It's like very conservative country. Okay, let's say. So on the side of, I will not be on this part or Filmer's part or in the Swedish woman that is Pernilla or in Derek Ramsey or in Eileen Adarna. So I will be on the middle, I will be in between. Because I am here now in European countries, so I know how it is and I know how people treating other peoples. Okay. So, it should be there is right or wrong on this situation, but it should not be bringing into the public because this is a very, very, very serious thing about relationship. As we know that Andy and Filmar, they are having kids already. And also that Swedish woman have already her love of her life. It means she has a boyfriend. And for what I knew also, she is already a citizen. Okay, so she is already a Filipino citizen in Philippines, and she loves Philippines. That Pernilas, or that Swedish woman that is on this issue. Okay, so the root of the issue is having a tattoo or matching tattoo, that is 224 on their arms, both of them, Filmar and that Swedish Pernilla. Okay, so for me, there is a wrong about it, because right, for example, I will put myself on Pernilas, that is Swedish woman. So I will have a tattoo for me. It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean nothing. And for me, it's normal for my as for my country, because I came from a Sweden, a European country. But you need also to think before you do it, that the man that you called best friend, that is Filmar, that has the partner of Andy Eigenman. I don't know if they are married, engaged, or boyfriend and girlfriend still, or live-in partner, I don't know, but still they are a partner. So you need to consider the feelings of Andy Eigenman, because he is the partner of your best friend. Okay, so the Philippines is a conservative country, and we need to respect that. As for me, as a Filipina, we will see how is the culture, we will see how is the people around us. It's all about respect, and whatever in the relationship, don't ever bring into the public, because people will judge you. Even you do good or bad, people will still judge you. You cannot please someone as long as they can see a little things about you, and then they will be the number one to bash you. Even they don't know the whole story, even though they will not read about the story behind what happened, what is the reason, they will judge you. Okay, so in a sense that it's rooted about the matching tattoo, that is 224. I don't know what is the meaning for that, but as Derek Ramsey said, it's all about friendship tattoo. Okay, so for me, as in Andy Eigenman's side, I will be hurt even we are only boyfriend and girlfriend, or live-in partner, or not yet married at all, or we are married. So considering that I am the partner of Filmar Alipayo, I will be hurt. I will be get mad. I will get angry to both of you. But I will secure myself not to post in social media, because I know social media will runs automatically with all the people, all the bashing and everything. So whatever it takes, whatever will happen, don't bring your problem to the public, because people will ruin your life instead of fixing your relationship or your life. So all I can say is, that is my advice, don't bring your personal life in a public social media post, because it will not fix really. So as the moment, Fillmore is being announced that they are already okay, but at the moment, as Derek Ramsey said, the Swedish woman, Pernillas, is not yet okay, very not okay, because there is a bashing all around, and there is also a death threat to her because of the fans of Andy and Filmar. So it's normal for the people who is idolizing someone. Okay, so be considerate the feelings of others, and respect really the every individuals. Okay, so we are having different nationality, different culture, so we need to know, we need to respect, and we need to live at peace. So that's it, only my advice, as I am here now in European country. So live at peace and stop this kind of bullshit. It's not very good. Bye.